Allow me to show you something.
Modern manufacturing is totally different than what most people think it is. Let's give you a glimpse of what Gallatin's modern manufacturers do today and all the many opportunities that are available.
Manufacturing, it's come a long way, and it's come a long way. It's not what you think of when you think of your parents sweating, working on the dirt floor, 15, 20 hours a day.
The old perception is, it's dirty, it's dusty, it's hot, it's sweaty. However, it's neat that at the end of the day you can produce something and you can see what you have made.
Yeah, manufacturing, everybody thinks it's not sexy. You can make a good living at manufacturing. You make something so you have something to show for it at the end of the day.
Now our average guys here are making anywhere from 25 to 45 bucks an hour to do their job, plus benefits. So, if you love working with your hands and creating things, this is a great job to have. It really is.
I think a great analogy to that is when you think of The Wizard of Oz, when it was in black and white, right? And then all of a sudden it was like full of color. And I think that that's our opportunity, is to paint a light on what manufacturing is today.
As the existing industries manager, I get the opportunity to work with all of our industrial partners here in Gallatin. When I started 2 years ago, I had no idea just how high-tech and progressive all of our modern manufacturers really are.
Manufacturing has changed immensely. Automation has taken away a lot of the old heavy lifting. The more people we can get through our doors to show them what we do, the better it'll be for us.
So they don't know what goes on many of your locations. They have no clue what's happening inside those walls. They visit one day, this is cool, I like to do this.
Yes, we're trying to engage even younger students at the high schools through the CTE program. We've done several tours here at our plant and kind of job shadowings throughout the past couple of years. And so we're starting to see, more engagement, more involvement, because, I remember being a young student, didn't know what a lot of manufacturing facilities produced. So bringing those students in, showing them our operations, the available jobs, the possibilities there, is really starting to increase the interest in local manufacturing.
I think there may be a gap where folks may not know what a great opportunity it really can be and what they can actually make and do and make a career out of it.
We're always looking for good talent, and we're very fortunate that Gallatin and the surrounding areas have been able to provide it for us. So now the next stage now is to really train junior people and find people that have an interest in doing this type of work to take it to the next level.
It's important that we come together with really a common goal, is to connect with our community, with our students, and help to share opportunities so that we can really bring up this next generation so that they can have all the resources and the possibilities that we can provide as a team, as a community.
There's a wide range of career paths that are available in manufacturing, ranging from entry-level all the way up to highly skilled. We are really fortunate here in Gallatin to have top-notch educational institutions and training centers that help to create that pathway for those who are looking to have a career in modern manufacturing.
Our partnership with Vol State is wonderful. The mechatronics program that they have there is perfect, I think, for the manufacturing workforce and environment.
What we're looking for is to start an apprenticeship where somebody comes in who does not have experience doing what we're doing, but maybe they've been an auto mechanic or maybe they've worked on some other type of equipment.
We have a lot of different paths, and because we're both an aggregates producer and a construction company, we get folks who want to be in manufacturing. We also get folks who want to be in construction, which is really more of a service industry. We get young folks from straight out of high school. We get folks from technical schools. We get folks from with college degrees.
We do plumbing, electrical, we do upholstery, we do all kinds of computer drawings. So a lot of computer design, fit and finish, woodworking.
You have days where you sit at your computer and work on CAD. You put your education to use. You put all that technical engineering knowledge that you have into designs and looking at mechanisms and materials and things like that. And then you have the days where you're actually out in our R&D facility where you're following on parts, machining parts, working on prototypes and things like that.
After touring all of the companies here in Gallatin, I've become fascinated with modern manufacturing and all the different types of jobs that it has to offer. It's really cool to know that the things that are manufactured right here in Gallatin are ending up in the hands of people all over the world. Recognize this from Cracker Barrel? The teas are manufactured right here in Gallatin, Tennessee.
So yeah, there's a lot of opportunity if they have the motivation to do it.
It's that sense of teamwork that they also build in a manufacturing facility that you don't necessarily get in retail or a different avenue.
It's very gratifying to see folks who never imagined themselves in this type of an environment.
It's good, it pays well, it's good benefits, and at the end of the day, people can make a good living at it. You know, you don't need necessarily to be a lawyer or an accountant. There is good jobs in manufacturing and engineering.
There's a lot of opportunity in manufacturing, and right here in Gallatin. We have 70+ industrial partners that make up the backbone of our economy. Their diversity helps us survive challenging economic times. They bring stability to our tax base and are vital partners in Gallatin's success. If you're interested in setting up a tour, contact the Gallatin Economic Development Agency and we'll connect you with the right person. Thank you for choosing Gallatin.